Lesson. What's your name? Warm-up conversation. Hello. What's your first name? My first name's Ryan. And what's your surname? Thompson. Two. Spelling. How do you spell that? THOMPSON. 3. Personal information. And where are you from, Ryan? I'm from Sydney. I'm Australian. Thank you very much. 4. Practice activity. Instruction. Fill in the blanks with your information. What is your first name? My first name is. What is your surname? My surname is. Where are you from? I am from. Learn numbers from 1 to 20 in English. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Example sentences. I have one book. She is 10 years old. I see 5 apples. Practice 1. Write the number 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 11.